Hi friends, welcome to day 10 of our 14 days of watercolor joy. 10 days. Can you believe it? We are getting closer to the finish line and closer to having a beautiful collection of Christmas elements you can turn into handmade cards. Today, we are painting presents. And honestly, this is one of my favorite prompts. Not because it's complicated, but because it's the opposite. So, yes, today's practice sheet might look extremely simple. And that's on purpose. Why? Because today is your chance to create, to experiment, to bring something of you into your art. Gift boxes are one of those magical prompts because you can decorate them with anything you want. We already learned holly berries, branches, lines, bows, leaves, circles, stars, layering, you name it. This is the moment to grab everything we've been practicing and let your imagination play. When you keep the base simple, a square, a rectangle, you suddenly have all this freedom. Do you want a big bow? A tiny bow? Do you want berries? Gold accents? Pine branches? Do you want stripes, dots, checks? Gift boxes are the perfect playground for creativity. And this is also one of the best prompts to practice layering. Just adding 1, 2, or 3 layers makes your painting look polished, professional, and so much more visually interesting. That's the magic of watercolor. That transparency we get to play with. A simple shape suddenly becomes elegant and delicate. Your practice sheet has plenty of blank space for you to try your own shapes, your own strokes, your own ideas. Use it. That blank space is your playground. Inspiration very often shows up while you paint, not before. That's why I always keep my sketchbooks nearby. Sometimes an idea needs testing, exploring, or even deserves to be painted directly on watercolor paper, because the technique requires more water than printer paper can handle. For details like bows, ribbon lines, and tiny decorations, you can use the tip of your round brush. But if you don't feel comfortable with that yet, use a liner brush. They are really magical. I, rem- I remember when I was a beginner, the number of flowers I ruined with thick, wiggly, awkward stems. Oh my goodness. I will paint something delicate and beautiful, and then, boom, a chunky line that had a mind of its own. I ruined so many pieces, believe me. But mastering the tip of your brush comes with what? Yes, practice and repetition. And that's why I don't get tired of reminding you. Practice is the key to confidence. Repetition is what makes your hands steady and your strokes intentional. So, like every day, this video has 3 parts: a warm welcome, practice sheet warm up and exploration, final painting on watercolor paper. The practice sheet is where you test ideas, explore, and play. And then the final piece is where everything comes together. Alright, now grab your watercolor paper and start painting your own versions of these gift boxes. I'm going to explore a few ideas myself. Let's see where the creativity takes us. And I truly hope you are painting along with me today. This is one of the most fun prompts to personalize. For the first 10 people who share at least 10 from the 14 prompt paintings on social media and tag me at taniamiller.art, and use the hashtag #MyChristmasBrush, I'm gifting you the full set of Christmas practice sheets, completely free. And don't worry, they don't have to look like mine. This set is exclusive to the 2 hours live workshop of November 22nd, and I won't have it available anywhere else. But if you are one of those first 10, they are yours. If you are planning on participating in the live on November 22nd, you don't have to worry because you are already getting them. But if, for some reason, you can't, this is your opportunity to get them. And speaking of the workshop, some of you have asked about this because of the hour difference where you live. Yes, it will be recorded. You'll be able to watch the replay until the very last day of 2025. So, if you can't join me live at 4 p.m. Central Time on November 22nd, you'll still get the full recording, the Christmas practice sheets, and the bonus page with holiday text you can use to finish your cards beautifully. Okay, now let me show you my 3 gift box ideas for today. I can't wait to see your gift boxes today and all the decorations you create. Tag me with my Christmas brush so I can celebrate your creativity. Make this yours. This is such a beautiful prompt to explore your own style. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. And until then, keep playing.